If you look at this problem, there are two statements given. Statement 1, statement 2 is told in the problem. Which of the following statement is correct? Okay, and this equation is given. If this equation is true, then which of the following statement is true? So we'll take this 2 on the other side. I can write like this, right? Cos of beta minus gamma plus cos of gamma minus alpha plus cos of alpha minus beta plus 3 should be equal to 0. Correct or not? Plus 3 is equal to 0. So I can say 2 cos of beta minus gamma plus 2 cos of gamma minus alpha plus 2 cos of alpha minus beta. This 3 is there, no, this number 3, I'll split it as 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 0. Everybody, for the competitive exam, you should be all set when you know the angles are alpha, beta, gamma involved here. So 2 times cos of gamma minus alpha plus 2 times cos of alpha minus beta. I can write the first number 1 as sin squared alpha plus cos squared alpha. Is it okay? Plus sin squared beta plus cos squared beta. Is it okay? Cos squared beta. Plus sin squared gamma plus cos squared gamma. Correct or not? Cos squared gamma. That is equal to 0. Do you follow? So now, if you can see here, this is of the form. If you can try to expand this, look here. We can write this as cos of alpha minus beta can be written as cos alpha cos beta plus sin alpha sin beta, right? Cos of alpha minus beta can be written as, I'll write like this, instead of writing alpha minus beta, I can write this in general form. Cos of a minus b can be written as cos a cos b, okay, plus sin a sin b. Correct or not? Sin a sin b. So don't you think so? We can write like this. See here, we can write this as, here we have cos squared sin squared alpha plus sin squared alpha plus sin squared beta. So we can write this as sin alpha plus sin beta plus sin gamma the whole square plus the gamma the whole square plus cos alpha plus cos beta plus cos gamma the whole square, right or not? Cos gamma the whole square, that is equal to 0. So why is it? What is the formula for a plus b plus c the whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Correct or not? 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. As you can clearly see here, this is in correspondence to all the sine terms, and this is in correspondence to all the cos terms. Correct or not? So if I want to get, after squaring and adding, if I want to get a 0, is it not in the form like this? 0 square plus 0 square. This is understood and implied that each of the term, that is sin alpha plus sin beta plus sin gamma, should be equal to 0, which means statement 1 is correct. Statement 1 is correct. And cos alpha plus cos beta plus cos gamma is also equal to 0. Correct or not? Which means statement 2 is also correct. So what is the answer that we mark to this particular question? The answer to the question is option C. This is the answer.